Well, here we are, boys. Not the most cookie cutter dealership, but we're here and we're picking up a pit bike. So let's go, boys. I'm so excited. Got to sign some paperwork. Then we're gonna load this thing to the back of the truck, back of the Lance, and boogie on home and maybe take it for a little ride. All right, boys, here she is, the freshie. Oh my God, it's still got the tag on it and everything. I'm super excited, boys. She's clean. All right, it's time to go get some food. We've been in there for, We've been in there for entirely too long. It's been like 3 hours, but they were super nice and they gave me a good price compared to the other dealerships. So it was worth the wait, but we're headed home and I think we're taking this thing for a rip today. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna put on the GoPro, maybe do some wheelies. Do I need to break this thing in? I don't know. We'll figure it out. There she is. She's sitting pretty back there. Let's go home and take her for a rip. Yo! What's up, dude?
Let's go, baby.
You ready to rip?
Yes, sir.
You ready?
I'm here for the bike, not you.
Okay.
We're definitely making it green.
Should we make it green to match the Cowie? That's not a bad idea. I went with the red one. That's a lot of red, huh?
Oh, let's put it with your car.
Oh. Dude, they match. Did you just say it's clean though? Bro, it's off the showroom floor. What do you mean?
What is this? This is dirt. You said it was brand new.
I may have rode it down the street
Yeah,
a little bit.
I
I had to break her in. This is technically the first ride, I guess. So let's unload it. What are y'all doing, bro?
Balls, bro.
Oh my God. No way, dude. Oh my God. Dude, they're ripping. Here's your weapon, sir.
Does he know that's a barbed wire fence?
Should we tell him to go back over there? Oh yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going. Little does you know that this is all marsh back here. What the f? Hey, do a whole loop through that. Like do a big ass circle right here.
Where? Like right, go through there and go through the grass. It's worse than shit.
She's a little dirty now. Does this smell like just the new like chemicals on? Is it? Yeah. No, I'm showing y'all my ass cheek.
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Oh my God! Take a picture. Come here.
No, bro, it's a lens cap. Motherfucker said, "Is that dip?" Well, this is technically the first ride, I guess. I have a couple ideas for when I'm home of what we're gonna do with this thing. Dude, I'm so hyped. This thing's so sick. Yeah! So this thing is a good sized pit bike for me. I didn't want to get a 110F because they're just too small for me. So this is like the perfect middle ground. It's got a clutch too, so that's useful. And we're gonna be hitting pit bike tracks with this thing. I'm super excited. It's really dark, but got her a little dirty as you guys saw. Corner's really good. It's really like balanced well. Oh, that was stupid, but it felt cool. I don't even think I got air. I think my front end just came up. Got to get a good run up. Third gear. I jumped it a little bit. Not much. It's hard to do second gear wheelies on this thing. It sits really forward. Dude, I'm so excited for this bike. It looks so good stock, but I think definitely the first thing I want to do is the suspension. That's number one. What are you doing? You got me. Oh, I almost got you with the kick. Do it. I'm gonna block you with my front. Ah! Yeah! This little bike's so much fun. Got to get everything set up for me. I think I said suspension first, but probably gonna end up doing bars because I think that's the most important thing. When?
Right when you drove off, it was so close to hitting you.
Threw it again.
Really?
I threw it so far.
I didn't even see it.
It was always so close.
You should have hit me. That would have been funny.
I was hoping it was gonna hit you in the back of the
No, I already squatted enough. You want to try a wheelie again?
Yes.
Okay. Oh! Wheelie! Oh, it's working! No way! Why did it work so good? All right, get off. I'm doing 360s. Anyways, I know this video is probably short, but it's a pretty big moment, dude. Brand new, right off the showroom floor. I'm super excited for this thing. Stay tuned for the pit bike videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.